Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are waxing today. Excuse the raspiness in my voice. I am getting over laryngitis, so that's why you guys haven't really gotten any videos these past like 1 to 2 weeks. So let's jump right in. We're also going to be making our own wax at home. Super easy, only 3 ingredients, and I'm sure you have this in your kitchen right now. So let's go. Go ahead and grab your sugar, lemon juice, and water. I'm going to pop the measurements on the screen, add it to a pot, and bring it to a boil. You don't want to walk away from this because it does cook pretty fast. Just continue to stir until it turns a nice caramel color. Store it in a glass jar, and you are good to go. So besides your wax, all you'll need, of course, are your wax strips. I am going to link some down below. These are a little too small. I thought they were bigger when I ordered them, but these are kind of more for like eyebrows and smaller areas. But I'm going to use them anyway. But I do like this brand because it came with the little sticks that you need to dip for your wax. I'm going to show you guys my underarms, which, I don't get a whole lot of hair. I don't get super hairy, but it's enough, and your girl works out, so I need to be completely bare, okay? Like any little bit of hair is gonna carry a little bit of funk, let's be honest. So I kind of prolonged it a few days just to do this video for you guys, but I just tend to keep my hair very low. So this is I think this is about 3 weeks of growth. So like I said, not a lot of hair, but enough. So here's the consistency that you need for your wax. Runny, but not too runny. You still want it to be a thick consistency. And if you are making a fresh batch, just let it cool down almost completely because you don't want to burn yourself. So let me just test it really quick, make sure it's not too hot. Okay, perfect. You might have to do it more than once if you have stubborn hair. For me, I usually go against the growth and then with the growth just to make sure that I'm pulling all the hair out. Now, you guys, I have never had a professional wax before. Besides my eyebrows, I've never had body wax before. So I'm just a DIY girl. I've come to realize that I do understand the idea of being pampered, but sometimes when I need things done, I don't want to make an appointment. I just need it done. So I want to be able to at least know to how to do it myself if I'm in a crunch. And of course, if you're on a budget, you know, I do work for myself and sometimes I'm on a budget. It's good to know to do these things, okay? I use 2 strips, but of course, if you have bigger strips, go ahead and use that. I just let it sit for a few seconds, kind of let it get tacky. I'll bring my laptop in the bathroom, put on a little show, and it doesn't take long, but I like to, when I'm at home pampering myself, I like to take my time. I'm in no rush. And girl, let me not be doing my nails. When I do my nails, I have my whole setup. I go get my wine. I go and put my little show on, and it takes me about maybe an hour-ish, hour and a half to do my nails. But I'm in the comfort of my own home, and I'm just vibing, and I love it. And you wanna hold the skin taut, and 1, 2, 3, rip. Now look at that. That got a lot of hair, but I know it's not all gone because I have stubborn hair. So I'm gonna have to do this one more time. So now we are gonna go against the growth. One, 2, 3. Now, I can't compare this to hard wax. I heard it was very painful, but the sugar wax, honestly, y'all, is not painful at all. Here is the rest of the hair. Is it just me, or am I the only person that loves to watch waxing videos, pimple popping videos? Like, why is it so satisfying? I don't know. So now I just take a wet towel, wipe off any wax. This is optional, not necessary, but I do like to go in with a little bit of aloe vera gel. This will soothe the area if you are having any bit of discomfort. But oh my god, y'all, it's so smooth. Like, I love a fresh wax. Like, look at that. Now, if you have any issues with dark underarms, for me, it isn't perfect. I have a little bit of like, I don't know why this right here gets dark for me, but what I do is whenever I do my facials, I'll go in with a turmeric mask and I'll put that under my arm, and that really helps keep your underarm light and even. All right, so I filmed one for y'all. Now I'm gonna film one for Instagram and TikTok, because you know, of course, I need my video in a different, the canvas size needs to be, what is this, 9 by 16? So I'm just gonna do it on my phone to make it easier. I feel like I'm not gonna like this video. It's too close. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you try sugar waxing at home, let me know how it works out for you. When it comes to the Brazilian, we're still working on that one. Yes, I've never had a Brazilian either. The first time that I went to get a Brazilian, my hair wasn't long enough because I always keep it like maintained at home. So when I finally built up the courage to spread eagle, she looked at it and was like, I can't do nothing with this. It's not enough hair. So I said, yeah, I'll never be back. I will never be back. I was so embarrassed, but I'm just shy, and just opening my legs just to a stranger just makes me feel a little weird. So we're gonna be doing this for the Brazilian at home as well. Like I said, I haven't made my way to doing it yet, but I'm sure it is not gonna be that bad. But I'm gonna get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.